This is the elevator at Parkway Center, 4 West in Green Tree, Pennsylvania. This appeared to have originally been an old Marshall elevator, judging by the old Dahlstrom door key, but sadly it was modified by Otis for Series 2 fixtures. That looks like a general bro though. This whole station's rather low. Look up to 3. Interior up. That's not original. Here, 3. Go back down to 1. I think this is a 211M mod. Media phone. I think the door closement works. I like that. That's where the original indicator was, obviously. Your standard Otis, or possibly original cab. I guarantee the lighting is original. It's rather dim.